One day, dark clouds filled the sky. "Rain is coming," said Elephant. He took his blue umbrella. Drip, drop, drip, drop. The rain began to fall. Elephant walked to the pond. Duck was playing in the rain. "Join me," said Duck. They splashed in puddles. "Splash! Splash!" laughed Elephant. Then a rainbow. "Wow, so many colors," said Duck. The rain stopped. The sun came out. "What a nice day," said Elephant. "Do you like playing in the rain too?"